Ashley. We met about half a year before I left on appointment. I was not looking for my soulmate because I knew I was leaving, but once I met you, I knew I would want to take that chance into the unknown, and I vowed to be with you every step of the way into our future.
Sean, you are my better half, the thing I never thought I needed, and everything I had hoped to find in a man. I knew I loved you when you showed me time and time again your patience with me, trying to remember the little things about me, and loving me through it all.